In this video, we will know what is poor or slow weight gain, who decides what is normal weight and growth, pediatric growth chart, causes of slow weight gain, and treatment for poor weight gain. This video is going to be very informative, so please don't skip this video. If you are in hurry, you can play this video on 1.5x speed. What is poor weight gain? Poor weight gain means gaining weight at slower rate than children who are same age and sex. Who decides what is normal weight range? Normal range for weights are based upon weight of thousands of children. Standard growth charts are published by Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) and the World Health Organization. These charts are appropriate for male-female babies and for all races and nationalities. Here comes a very important point. Children with particular genetic syndrome may require special growth chart. For example, growth chart for children with Down syndrome is also available from Center for Disease Control and Prevention. What are the causes for poor weight gain? Poor weight gain is not a disease but rather a symptom which has many possible causes. The causes of poor weight gain includes not consuming adequate amount of milk or calories, or not consuming right amount of protein, fat and carbohydrate. Baby's body is not able to absorb an adequate amount of nutrients. Baby require higher amount of calories, and poor weight gain can also occur as a result of medical problems, a developmental and behavioral problem, lack of balanced food, or social challenges at home, or most frequently a combination of these problems. Prenatal problems. Baby is small for age at birth. It is also called intrauterine growth restriction. Prenatal infections can be the reason for poor weight gain. Prenatal infection includes bacterial or viral illness that can be passed from a mother to her baby during pregnancy or delivery process. Birth defects. Exposure to medication, toxins limits growth during pregnancy. For example, alcohol, tobacco, smoke, caffeine and street drugs. Baby's birth to 6 months. Poor quality of suck, rather breastfeed or formula feed. If you mix formula incorrectly, the wrong balance of water and formula can cause nutrition deficiency. For each 30 ml water, you need to add 1 scoop of formula. If you want to prepare 150 ml milk, you need to take 150 ml lukewarm water, add 5 scoops of formula and mix it well. Less numbers of feeding can cause poor weight gain. A newborn need to be fed 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. Poor feeding interactions. Infant gags or vomit and parents or caregiver thinks baby is full. Milk protein intolerance. It can cause digestion problems such as stomachache, vomiting, colic, diarrhea, constipation, etc. Birth defects, which affects a child's ability to eat or digest normally. Medical problems that affects absorption of nutrients. Poor weight gain in 7 to 12 months old baby. Feeding problems, for example, struggle between child and caregiver about what will be eaten. Problem with child's mouth that make it hard for them to adapt to chew or swallow textured food. Delayed introduction of solid foods. Refusal to new foods when first offers and the caregiver doesn't offer again. Caregiver doesn't offer enough quantity and variety of solid foods. Intestinal parasites. Worms such as pinworms or tapeworms that can get into child's body. Lack of hygiene and unsafe water increase the risk of getting intestinal parasite. Prematurity. If baby is born too early from her or his due date, baby may gain weight at much slower rate. My son Imad was born at just 24 weeks, which is only 5.5 months after conception. His birth weight was only 800 grams. He was admitted in NICU for 103 days, and when he came home after discharge, his weight was only 2 kg 125 grams, and his weight gain was our biggest concern, because poor weight gain means poor development of brain too. He may not reach his milestones on time. And this was the time when I started gaining knowledge about reasons for poor weight gain and how to help baby to gain adequate weight, and for baby's overall health and development. Now Imad is 4 years old and absolutely healthy. Poor weight gain treatments. The goal of treatment is to provide the child adequate nutrients to catch up normal weight. The parents or caregiver and healthcare provider should work together to develop a plan that meets the needs of both the child and the family. For infants, the number of calories in breast milk can be increased by pumping the breast milk and adding predetermined amount of formula powder or liquid concentrate. This combination is called fortified human milk. Disclaimer: for the safety of the baby, this treatment should be undertaken with the supervision of healthcare provider or dietitian. 0 to 4 months old needs 8 to 12 feedings in 24 hours. In older infants, calories can be increased by adding rice cereal or formula powder to puri foods. Poor weight gain follow-up. Children who are underweight are usually seen by their healthcare professionals on regular basis, and these frequent visits usually continues until child reach near normal weight or start increasing weight regularly. If the child is able to take adequate amount of calories, weight gain usually complete within 3 to 6 months. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon.